Ready to supercharge your retirement savings as a business owner while simplifying your payroll. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to contribute to your solo 401k directly through Gusto, making retirement contributions a breeze. First, log into your Gusto account and navigate to the Benefits section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Next, look for the Retirement option and click on Add a Retirement Plan. On the next screen, you'll see different retirement plan options. Select Connect an existing 401k since you already have your solo 401k set up. Now, carefully enter the details of your solo 401k plan, including the provider name and your specific plan name. Accuracy is key here. This is where you tell Gusto how much you want to contribute. Enter your desired employee contribution percentage or a fixed dollar amount, and if applicable, your employer contribution as well. Remember to stay within the IRS guidelines for solo 401k contributions. Finally, with your solo 401k linked and contributions set, Gusto will automatically deduct your contributions during each payroll run. Saving for retirement has never been easier. That's it. You're now contributing to your solo 401k through Gusto. Give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful Gusto tips and tricks.